Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a website which is called Yupp AI, and in this website you can use all the latest AIs for free. Yes, that's true, you can use all the latest AI model which is right now for free using this website. So you just need to come to this website which is called AI. Just search it on Google, you find it, and just sign in with your Google account. So after signing with a Google account, first you need to write a prompt to test it out. So I'm just going to simply write a prompt here. So after writing a simple prompt, you just need to click on send prompt, and it will use a AI model which is currently working for free in here. So they're going to use a random model. Right now it's using Perplexity, Sonar Pro, and GPT 4.1 mini. So here's the answer. So my command was simply what is AI and how it works, and you just need to go down and you can choose this or choose this. So I'm just going to, for example, I prefer this because this response was fast, and just click give this feedback here on target, insightful, and of course this was fast. So just give send feedback, and here you will get credits. So you just need to scratch it, and for the signing in you will get 5,000 credits for free. Now you can go to the home page. So after signing in with just using a random prompt, they are going to give you 5,000 credits for free, as you can see. And after that, you can see there's option of choose models. If you click on choose model here, you can see there's a lot of model here. There's pro option. So these are the model you can use for free. So there is GPT 4.1, OpenAI 4.1 mini, GPT OpenAI 4 mini, Claude 3.4 Sonnet, and Gemini 2.4 Pro, GPT 4 Turbo, and all the models that are right now for Pro. You can use this website to use it for free. Also, you can create image with this. They have Stable Diffusion, Recraft, Midjourney. They say they have Midjourney, but for some reason it doesn't work properly. But you get Luma, Ideogram, Turbo, all the AI model out there, latest AI model out there, we can use it. So let me just show you how to use it for free and unlimited time, because you get credit for using this. Every time you use this, you get credit. So let me just use one of their example prompt they're showing here. Just click on it and make sure your chat are public here. So because if you choose private, let me show you. If I just take private here, you can see, and private confirm, and you can see it going to use 50 of my credits from 5,000. So if you're using for normal prompt, just choose the public option and click confirm, and you can see it will use only 25 credits from my 5,000 credits. So if I just choose model here, so let me just randomly give the prompt here to let's see what kind of model they're going to use. So just send message. So the command was, how do the stand tails updates in red deadline? And the answer is red dead online content always red reception. And they're using right now Gemini 2 flashlight and Llama for Madrid. It is just a random model. I didn't choose any model from here. So I prefer this one. And you just need to give the feedback here on target, fast, style, nice tone. And Llama was too long, and just send feedback. Every time you write a prompt and you give feedback to the model, you get credit. So as you can see, it used only 25 credit, but right now it gave me 335 credits for free. So in this way, you can use this model to create any prompt or get prompt for free unlimited time. So let me just show you. Go to the new chat, choosing the models. So let me just choose a model. This time I'm going to use a pro model. So we're going to use OpenAI 4 mini high router with the reasoning model also, as you can see. And we're going to use another model, add model, and go to Pro here. And right now we're going to use Perplexity. So just search here is the Perplexity Sonar Reasoning, which is also Pro, as you can see, and reasoning model. And we're going to write a command here. So I'm going to use a trick question here to select the model, to test out the model of for mini and Perplexity sonor reasoning, to show you that it really uses this model and for free. What word becomes shorter when you add two letters to it? The answer is short and the shorter. So you can see there's chat is private here. So because I'm adding a prompt here with my own text, so that's why I need to make it public. Click confirm, and now it's going to only use 75 credits. And let's just send message and let's see which is correct and give the fastest possible answer. I can see this is the shorter. Perplexity give me the answer, which is too long. I don't know what is it doing, thinking again. And this is the answer. The word is short, add the two letters and it becomes shorter. So this was a trick question, and Perplexity Pro still thinking and giving me the answer. Shorter. It's giving me the right answer, but it's too long. I prefer this. And on target, fast and slow. And just click send feedback. It uses 75 credit. Let's see how many credit it give me. 249. So as you can see, in this way you can use any model that you want in this website for free. So let me show you how to create an image with this, because image gonna cost you more credit. Use your own command and get the credits for free. Right now I have 5,484 credits. So to create an image with this website, first I'm going to give a command and choose the enable image generation. And now I'm going to use model here. As you can see, randomly it's going to use hundreds of credits, but I'm going to choose the model, go to the image section, and I'm going to choose GPT and model again. So here I have chosen Midjourney V6, Videogame V3 Turbo, GPT Image 1, Flux 0.1 Pro Ultra, which is all the pro version here, and it's going to use 300 credit, but I'm just going to make it public here. Click confirm, and now it's going to only use 650 credits. And let's see the Midjourney works here or not, because sometimes it didn't work properly in this website. And the image is command here with the text. Let me see how many model gave me the text, right text and the right image here. So just click on send message. And as you can see, it looks like Midjourney V6 is currently encountering errors. And that's why they're going to replace this with stable diffusion 3-point large photo, which is also pretty good. And this is the image, Videogame with the turbo, with the exact correct text, free and unlimited. And this is the stable diffusion, which is also good, free and unlimited. Flux 1.1 Pro Ultra. It had two robots. I don't know why I didn't give any two robots. And also free and unlimited text was not pretty good. And ChatGPT is taking time because it's free and lots of people are using it. So here's the image made by ChatGPT, and it's look pretty good. Free and unlimited with the sci-fi robot. So my command was exactly like this: a highly detailed futuristic cyber robot is standing in a neon lit cyberpunk city at night with free and unlimited glowing high-tech font. And this is the image I like, which is taking much time, but this is good. I prefer this. On target, beautiful, vibrant, detailed. And why Flux 1.0 Ultra was not good? Because it was distorted, generic, and it was not slow, it was fast and also incoherent. And just click send feedback. Let's see how many credit it gave me, because it uses 650 credit and it only gave me 204 credit. But it's good because I get a free image for free. Also, I have bonus free credit 204. So every time you create an image, make sure to go to the new chat again and use their prompt. Just use their prompt and make it public. And it's going to use 25 credits and just send message here. Don't choose any models and you will get back lots of credit, because it's gonna use again 25 credits. And the question was, how do alphas in other states affect like likelihood and severity? And the answer, so I'm just going to choose the I prefer this. For example, I'm showing you an on target, fast, style, insightful, and I'm just going to give it confusing. Why Gemini to Flash Online are not good, for example, but you can give the right feedback. Just click send feedback and 25 credits using, let me see. Okay, now it gave me 245 credits. So this is how you can create unlimited credits for this, and you can use all the models, like every model that you can use from here for free with this tip, because they're gonna give you credit just using their prompts. And every time you get more prompts, now you can create image, and you can use your own prompt to test it out any model with this website. So that's it, guys. This is the video that I want to show you. I hope you found this video helpful. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.